guys! Good afternoon! Hapon na and we are a bit late pero hindi naman masyadong late. We are here now at the SMX Convention Center because today is World Food Expo. Okay? So pupunta tayo sa World Food Expo where we will witness the Philippine Culinary Cup. Ayan, participant yung yung school ni Harold, naka-uniform.
Support tayo.
Ha? Support lang daw. Kasi next year, pangarap niyang, siya naman yung Jumoin. Ayan, Global Academy. Pakita mo. Be proud. Yung Global Culinary Academy nila. But I guess, kailangan muna natin mag-register. So, pupunta tayo din sa registration. Nag-register na ako online. Magbabayad na nun tayo. So, let's go! I'm so excited. Also, here may mga booths dito na mga iba't ibang pagkain. Yung mga new trends sa food industry. So if you have time, this will be until August 3. So punta na kayo. Hopefully ma-upload itong vlog na to before August 3. So we have our registration already. And uunahin na natin tong Korea. May K-food dito, Explore na natin.
Ano meron dyan?
Ha?
Ano meron dyan?
Yung mga samyang na favorite mo.
Apa.
Hindi na daw ididikit.
You want to try this? I love the wheat paprika with cream cheese and butter. Thank you.
Korea paprika. Tara. Alam mo, gusto ko dito, may mga free taste.
Sabi ko na nga ba kaya
Free
pumasok
taste yung pinupunta. Para hindi natin gumastos ng food mamaya.
Chago.
Kaya try natin.
It's a brainless business. Yes.
Is it spicy?
Yeah, spicy. Jaja.
Si Harold. Dahil spicy siya, hindi ako ready. Si Harold naman. Tignan mo nga kung masarap.
Anong food daw to? Jajang
Buldak
minata to.
ata.
Jajang minata to.
Fireball. Brand to GE's.
Go ahead.
Masarap ba?
So if you want
Ha?
spicy Jaja.
Sobrang anghang? Anghang?
Spicy Jaja.
Hindi ko kasi naintindihan sinasabi niya. Spicy jajang. Jajang. Ulit-ulit yung Ulit-ulit kasi. Ulit-ulit yung niya. Spicy jajang. So ano yung jajang?
Jajang yun eh.
Ha? Jajang.
Jajang yun.
Jajang yun? May ganun pala. Pero hindi siya yung yung sikat na bulda. Ito, they have also yung mga juices.
Mga tasa ko.
Milk soda. Duri-duri. Doon lang tayo sa may free taste na booth.
Yeah.
Ay, my fruits! What is this? Korean pear. Korean apple also. Grown in Korea. What's the difference from a regular pear?
That is harvested in Korea.
But the taste, does it have a difference?
I think it's more juicy.
The one in Korea. It's sweeter. Is this just like Fuji apple?
I'm not sure, but it's harvested. Oh, yeah, it's same as
Oh, yeah, same as well. So you export this?
We're only exporting strawberries and pear at the moment, and we're looking for exporters.
For export.
Who can import our fresh fruits.
Is this real strawberry?
No, 이거 진짜 딸기 아니야.
Oh yeah,
Yan.
it's shaved.
It's only
This one is not is real. No, also. Hindi naman pala totoo yung strawberry.
Ha?
Masarap yung pear, try mo.
Ayoko din.
Try mo, dali. Ayoko, mas matamis siya. Mas matamis siya. No. Mas matamis yung pear. Thank you.
Kanina busy kayo
Ay, dito naman tayo. Sa mga coffee naman. Ay, parang libre na din yung coffee natin.
ang gagawin niya po sir is i-determine niyo po yung aroma niya from the parts.
Ah, talaga? Maamoy mo ba yun?
Nakuha niya po siyang lima, makakakuha po yung face gift.
Turuan mo na lang ako. Ah, wala na, magkakamoy na.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Okay na yan sir?
Okay na?
Okay na po yan?
Ah, go. Okay
Okay
na.
sir, check ko lang ha. Check po natin. Yan. So, ang ulan niyo po dito is savory. So, ang piece na to is from Mount Apple, which is Ferty po. Ferty po siya.
tama.
Then, dito po ang question natin, this beans is from Ethiopia. So, it's spice po yung
Ang layo.
And ito po yung excessive beans po namin, which is fruity. So, it's jackfruit. Then, ito
Wala,
po
sablay.
is our Vietnam Arabica, which is, ano po, savory. And lastly po is our Robusta.
Ba't naman samoy jackfruit to?
Kaya nga eh.
Amoyin mo.
Hindi po, sir. Okay po, ano siya. Para sa akin natin. Mayroon po talaga ano yun.
Mali din pala siya. May nakakuha na ba na zero?
Wala.
Wala pa nakakuha.
Hirap.
3-2 na.
Thank you.
Pwede pa bumili? Can I try that? Hindi pwede bumili. Ayan, okay na yung spoon na yan. Pero okay na yung spoon na yan. Free please.
Madam Eli ha?
Oo! Ay, grabe.
10 million na ba?
Di pa?
Ilan pa?
20 million pa rin. Diyan lang. Harap. Ganda ka na rin naman. Ano yun ate? Gelato or yogurt? Ba't ano ako ng pistachio?
Powder lang kami sa Facebook at Instagram.
Ah, sige.
Yung face and face. Pistachio.
Ano, nagsusupply kayo niyan na ready mix na or? Masarap. Napakasarap. May ano kayo, brochure? Bar blend.
Ano yun? Kailangan mo ng mix.
Masarap. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Konti lang. Favorite flavor mo to.
Face jazz.
Tara. Tara na, baba na tayo Philippine Culinary Cup na. Ito na yung pinunta natin dito, the Philippine Culinary Cup. May kita na natin maglaban-laban ang mga chefs. And participant dito yung school ni Harold. Actually, may mga gold medals na. Ang dami ng gold medals ng Global Academy. So, ito, ang ganda ng cakes, oh. Paano ba naman din magiging gold yan? Napakaganda, my God. Yan na naman yung mga cakes na to. Kita nyo how skillful Filipinos are? Dito tayo, ikutin natin yung mga cakes. Grabe, no? How detailed those are. And this is the Philippine Culinary Cup where the best chefs in the Philippines compete. Grabe talaga yung energy dito, guys. If only you were here to witness this competition, talagang kakabahan naman talaga kayo. The Philippine Culinary Cup is the yearly gathering of all chefs across the countries. Usually, nagpapadala ng representatives dito to compete ang mga 5-star hotels and the best culinary schools here in the Philippines. Of course, every year kasali dito ang Global Academy. And this is one of our competitors, si Lance. He is also a culinary student from Global na kaklase naman ni Baby Boy. This is day 2 already of the competition at sa day 1 pa lang ang dami ng gold medals ang Global Academy na nakuha. So for now, let's cheer for everybody in the competition. So we're here at the Philippine Culinary Cup. This is the 44th. I'm not sure. No one's sure, but sure na panalo ng Globe. How many golds have we, na?
So far, we have 3 golds, 1 highest silver.
Plant-based yun, di ba? Yung first gold natin is the
First gold natin,
plant-based. Plant-based. Highest silver is plant-based also.
Yeah. So,
Creative Breakfast. Highest silver. Highest gold si Creative Breakfast by Chef Maverick.
yes. And then US lamb.
US Lamb is also
Highest
gold.
gold. So we're hoping for more golds because he's vying for Chef of the Year.
Ay, mag-chef of the... Hello, si Harold na pressure ate.
Ay, wala. Huwag ka mag-presyo. Chef of the Year lang eh. Ikaw ang na-presyo.
Chef, parang feeling ko, ako naman yung nag-aaral. Parang feeling ko si Harold naman yung estudyante.
Kasi alam, ang na-notice ko kasi di ba si Brando, he vied for Chef of the Year last year. So when you're the contender, there comes a certain point na you're working on lessening your time sa paggawa. Pero yung support system, talagang babalakangin ka dahil
Yes.
ibang challenges. So hayaan mo,
Kaya sumakit na malakan yun eh. Binabalakan ko.
hayaan mo, iko-coach kita. Gusto magiging support system.
Yung Chef of the Year, yun yung parang most prestigious award, no? Sa Philippine Culinary
As a
Cup.
matter of fact, it's the only one that is not announced until the awarding
Until
ceremony.
the awarding ceremony.
Yun yung
How did you choose it?
based on the number of golds, and then if push comes to shove, it's a point system.
Point system.
It's a point system. So mas maraming categories, mas marami kang tsansa. Pero kung doon naman sa dami ng categories mo, mabababa rin yung medals, pwede ka pa rin matalo na.
So, Chef of the Year. So, guys, ayun. So, si Harold, I want you all to pressure him to remember this day na gusto niyo din maging Chef of the Year. Siguro next year.
Also,
Hopefully.
you, Harold, and because you're a globalista, I can assure you that you will be mentored by the world-class best, and they will not stop until you're very best.
Kasi parang, alam niyo pa global kasi, parang hindi naman na kailangan i-chika na best of the best. The gold will speak for itself.
Hindi ako nagsabi noon, pero
Marami kaming gold. Marami ako may isasanla. So guys, Global Academy yung school ni na Harold. I'll show you. Para nga. Para si Baby Boy, pakita niya na. Ayaw mo naman.
that's a baby
For K5.
Ano mo yung ano mo? Gamit mo.
We have here with the meaning and teaching area for
So ayun yung global. Sila ang big competing.
for
They're preparing you ready.
At dito na nga, nag-start ang competition. This is the category US Sport where the participants are expected to prepare a dish in just 45 minutes. The one you see there right now is Chef Brando. He is the Chef of the Year last year. And tignan nyo naman, sobrang seryoso na mukha ng mga globalista. Alam nyo guys, pag nanonood kayo nito, my God, pati kayo kakabahan. Nakakaloka talaga ang pressure. Ganito katindi ang support ng mga globalista. Halos buong global family ata ay nandito para i-cheer ang aming contestant ngayon na si Lance. Nai-imagine ko na nga by next year kung matuloy man si Harold and hopefully matuloy siya sa pagsali dito at maging representative siya ng Global Academy. Feeling ko iiyak-iyak pa ako habang nagko-compete siya dyan. Madidistract na lang talaga siguro si Baby Boy. Dito kasi sa Philippine Culinary Cup, it's really just the best of the best who are competing here. And I'm very proud to say that we are part of the global family. Ako at si Harold being the student and me being the #1 supporter of this prestigious institution. Kaya talaga ito din naging choice of school ko for Baby Boy because I know he is in the best hands. Hindi naman sa pagmamayabang ha, pero second day pa lang ito ng competition, nakailang gold na kami sa ilang categories. And ang Global Academy talaga, never yan nawala ng Chef of the Year. Kaya nga dati, when we were in the search pa kung saan papasok na school si Harold, and when I inquired dito sa Global Academy, they informed me that their chef instructors are industry-trained and world-class chefs. Hindi na ako nagdalawang isip. Ginoo ko na agad si Harold. And this only proves na tama nga ang naging decision namin to be part of the global family. Ang pinaka-downside lang talaga ng pag-enroll ko dito kay Harold, nako, tumaas ang budget namin sa bahay for food. Charot lang. At ayun na nga, balik na tayo sa competition. Tingnan mo yung itsura ni Chef Ogs, one of the chef instructors, and Chef Coach Denny Lance. Kinakabahan na siya talaga. Pero we believe na lahat naman ng training and preparation will yield gold in the end. Yung naka-black na yan na nakatayo na pogi, si Chef Maverick yan. Ayan, nagka-clap-clap na si Chef Mav. Yan ang ating isa sa mga globalista na gold medalist dito sa Philippine Culinary Cup. We are now in the final phase of the competition and you can see here si Lance nagpi-plating na. So he needs to prepare 2 plates, 1 for display and 1 for the judges. Ayan na, my God. Ilang seconds, ilang minutes na lang pala ang natitira niyan. Mga 1 minute or 2 minutes na lang. Kaya go, Lance! Ayan na, final touches na sa plating. Pag natapos na si Lance, kailangan niyang itaas ang kanyang hands to signify that he is already done. Go, attack! Grabe na ang kaba ng lahat. Oh my God, napapasigaw na lahat ng globalista si Chef Mav. Napapakalon na talaga. Go, Chef Og! Sigaw na. Ganon guys kasaya. Oh my God, lalo na at seconds na lang ang natitira kay Lance. At finally, ayan na, natapos na nga si Lance. Just in time, bago maubos ang kanilang oras. This is now ready for the judges. And of course, sabi ko nga sa inyo, because we are global, ito na ang results. For the US pork category, of course, our globalista Lance got the highest gold. Kaya congratulations, Lance!